What we've got here is the total emergency kit. What we've done is incorporated the Cell-Aid AED unit along with the bleed kit. Now we can configure this however you want, but the basics of this are the two main types of things that have killed somebody. One is a cardiac arrest. Inside here is a Cell-Aid, personal defibrillator, and also a catastrophic bleed. Inside here also we have wound clots, we have trauma dressings, and we have all the relevant PPE and bits and pieces that we need to deal with a catastrophic bleed. Now what we can do with this kit, you can either have it just as a bleed kit with the defibrillator, as the more of the basic version. We can also add other bits. So if you want to make this your complete kit, it would also have a conventional first aid kit in it. So it's got the plasters, it's got some eye wash, burn dressings and things like that. The key advantage of this is the physical size. I mean, this pouch here is less size than the average AED unit. So if you're looking at a comparison of the size, just carrying an AED. Now the Cell-Aid itself is 460 grams, so it's not very heavy. The kit inside is not very heavy, so the actual total weight of this is very lightweight. So if you had to take a first aid kit with you on an expedition, on holiday, or in the workplace, carry something with you, that is a small, easy way around of doing it for dealing with emergencies. You'd also have these on the workplace and scatter them around the workplace, so should anything happen, it's very easy to grab hold of it. So the kit itself, we can label these however you want. This is just a base one here with an initial design, but we can use all this area and we can customize it as well if you want, subject to numbers, but we can customize it with your logo and your information on there as well. The QR code goes straight through to this unit, so it's got direct links. We can link that to wherever you want, so you can go through to instructional pages, the website that goes through for this, which is what this one here actually goes to. And also we can configure the pouch differently as well. So if you did want with belt clips and things like that on the back, we can do it. And the actual color, again, this is a yellow one, but we can do these in a variety of colors. So the unit here can be the low cost way of having a total emergency first aid kit, and very easy and very lightweight to carry around.